In this video, we show you how to install the BOS FrontFork Protection Pro on a BMW R 1300 GS and GS Adventure. This is the FrontFork Protection Pro. Inside the box, you'll find several components needed for the installation. We start by removing these two bolts. Then we insert the new bolts through the front fork protection and slide the spacers over the bolts. Now it's time to mount the protector onto the motorcycle. Tighten the bolts to a torque setting of 12 Newton meters. And that's how you install the BOS FrontFork Protection Pro. Enjoy your ride.